I'm ready to die. Okay? I am not fighting the government. I am just telling the government and my brothers who are here, JK, you have said that we need love. Let me tell you, there cannot be no love when you cook the food and you eat it in the house and other people are looking from the window. If you want me to love you, share the little you have. If you want me to love you, don't steal my money, then you wait for the elections to come, then you bribe me, then I vote for you so that you continue stealing from me. Our lives have changed. My life has changed. That's why I speak the things I speak. My brother Osoro, stay in government, don't fight anybody. Say how the government is good. The problem right now, the government has nothing good to say. It's not personal. We want good governance. We want Governor Simba to succeed. I don't want Simba to fail. I want Ruto to succeed. But my brother, what are you guys doing? You guys, it's not right. Tell the president we have no issue with him. Let him stop the stuff that is going. And if he comes to DC, I will tell him the same thing. Because I love William. He's been my friend for how many years? Look at what we are doing. You guys, we have high standards. Look at what Kenyatta did. Moi, even with his incapacities, he had a human heart. He had a feeling about people's lives. And then what are we doing? We act like everybody else is a fool. We act like all the money is supposed to be shared by a few. And after that, you just start telling us, Namutadu. Look at what the advisors of the president are telling him. We will leave corruption where we found it. Then you have no fucking business being in government. You have no business. The reality is, people want good governance. We want to share resources fairly and equitably. We want poor children's people to go to school and get educated. Those people will walk to my house in Mosojo in the next 10 years. They'll burn the place and take everything from inside. Watch all of you. God bless you.